Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale, the channel where I teach you guys how to pick up regular items that you can find anywhere and flip them online for a profit. So, pardon my death pile. I went garage sailing and yeah, I'm a little bit behind, but we will catch up. I went on ThredUP. Here's what happened. I went on ThredUP and saw that there was a scrap fabric box. And I've seen these quite a bit on there available, but I have held off because I wasn't really sure what it was. Well, I saw a few YouTube unboxings of these scrap fabric boxes and they were getting gowns and things like that in them. So I'm like, you know what? It's $30 plus shipping, so around 40 bucks shipped for this box. And I think that I can probably find one thing in the box that will probably pay for it. So I went ahead and took the gamble. So we are gonna do an unboxing of the ThredUP Scrap Fabric Rescue Box. I looked at the first item, okay? I haven't looked at the rest. I cannot leave these boxes sitting without taking a peek. So I took a peek at the top, and the top of the box had a really beautiful fabric, so I did snoop. But the rest I have no idea. So this first item is a huge, this thing is beautiful. It is a Badgley Mishka. It has I think this is a rental tag or something on it where they scan it before they send it out. But this is a gown. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, nice and thick. I don't see any flaws. I'll have to look at the skirt closer because this is a lot of skirt to look at. But it's a size 4, and I do believe I can get my money back with just this dress. But let's see what else they sent me. Set that there. Okay. Ooh, this is fun. This looks like a prom dress. It just says sparkle. The price tag says $339, but that might mean nothing. Because as we all know, a lot of prom dresses are 1, grossly overpriced, and 2, this could be just from a random store. Yeah, the brand is Sparkle, so I'll have to look this up. But it is new with tags, so that's super nice. It looks like a one shoulder. Let me actually show it to you. So where does it clasp? Okay, it clasps up here, and one of the clasps is actually broken. So I'll have to look this up and see if it's worth me going to get that clasp put back on. It's really pretty though, and it is also a size 4. This is just a random black scarf. No brand, no tag. I'm just gonna probably donate that. Things like that are really hard for me to market. This looks to be vintage. I like that. It's just a vintage green dress. It definitely smells vintage. Yeah, the tag looks pretty vintage. The tag's cut out though. Oh, it says ladies garment, union made in the USA. So yes, most definitely vintage. It does have a metal zipper, so I'm not sure what that means for age, but I know after a certain point is when they started putting metal zippers and things. So I'll have to check it out, but I'll have to do measurements on this. It's really pretty. It has these ties right here that you would tie the waist back. I don't know. We'll see. And it has these really pretty pearl edges. See, I have a lot of gowns. I'm kind of super happy with this. This is a Scala 100% silk dress. So you know what's going to happen with this one is I am going to put, because it's a halter style with an open back and all these sequins. I'm going to put Y2K in the title of this listing because I did just sell one of these silk beaded dresses for like 60 something dollars on eBay. And it literally sold like minutes after I listed it. So that style is doing really well right now. And then this one, this is the last item. I had a lot of gowns. This is a Rachel Allen, bottom of a two-piece like prom dress. So you'd have like a top kind of like this, and then you put this on it. It does have a few beading issues. There's just like one bead hanging off back here, and there's one hanging off here, but those can be fixed. So I'm not sure. I mean, this skirt says $499 on it, so we'll see if that translates to the resale market. But overall, what size are you? It's a size 8. So, and this is really good because this is actually like, it's not like it's a patterned skirt or something where you'd have to match the pattern. It's a pretty neutral skirt, so I'm thinking that the sellability on it is going to be that much better. So yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got 4 gowns for 40 bucks. So basically I'm only $10 in on each gown, and I really think that this is going to be a profitable box, and I'm going to keep my eye out for another one. So if you like videos like this, if you like me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later.